I am a piece of rye bread, or Ryan. I don't know what I'm doing at all. I am gender fluid. Tomorrow I might identify very feminine or masculine or neither. You could use any pronouns, just usually they, them. And I'm pansexual, which means I don't have a specifically gender preference when it comes to being attracted to somebody. By the way, if you hear noise, I have 2 birds, a rabbit, and a rat in here right now because the carpets were being cleaned and my room wasn't, so they're all in here right now. Levi and Aaron, Attack on Titan, right there. Cool. Yeah. Oh yeah, okay. I have a weird sneeze. Uncomfortable? Like, if I feel awkward, I'll sneeze like a kitten because my body instinctually, like, kind of holds in the sneeze. And I'm, like, fully, like, whatever, bruh. I sound like an earthquake and the screaming, like, people at the same time. This is Moo. She's a mini Rex rabbit. And there are my dogs.